Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a video that I posted on Instagram just to show you guys how I do one brow and how I do my brows every day naturally. And I'm trying out something new today, which I've had for a long time, but I barely use it because I like darker brows. But today I thought, why not get some lighter brown brows? And I went ahead and used my eyelure pencil in mid brown, and I'm just concealing my brows today with FAWN by LA Girl Concealer. And I really like using these two products. It's very easy to do your brows, and as you guys know, you can shape your brows in many different ways. So this is just a simple way of doing one brow, and then next I'm going to show you guys how I do both my brows and show you guys two different ways you can do your brows easily for everyday wear. It's up to you, you don't have to follow what I do, but I'm just going to show you simple steps in how to shape your brow. So thank you for watching, and I hope you see you guys in another video. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've guys been following me on Instagram, I just posted this tutorial doing one brow, so I thought why not come by and show you guys how I do my brows naturally. Today I didn't use a black pencil or black gel or anything. I used like a medium brown pencil, and the sunshine is beaming on me right now, so if I'm just squinting, it's because of the sun. I did one brow and I did it with my LA Pro Conceal. I used the shade Fawn today, and I just wanted a natural looking brow, nothing too sharp, nothing too, bold. And I just did this one, so let's go over this one now with the concealer and show you guys how I do my brows. So I just put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and I just start lining the brow at the beginning. Sometimes I like to join the other one up to make it even. So you can raise your brows a bit if you want, you don't have to, but I kind of like doing that just to get it even. So once you get that even, this sun is hot today in London, and it's almost the ending of September. I'd like to say October but I'm sweating and I ain't got no makeup on, so let's just do the brows first. I thought, why not do a brow tutorial? I've never done one, so I get asked quite a lot how I do my brows, because I do my brows so differently every day. So we're gonna go over with some more, and I like to use this brush sometimes. I do have concealer brushes and stuff, but I think this is quite easy to have this little brush. So we're gonna go over, and I try not to go too close because I do not want to mess up the shape, even though I have naturally thick brows. People think that I normally line them like that, but my brows are naturally thick. And then I'm just going to do little strokes. So my phone was overeating in the sun, so I kind of put down the not the light, the curtains. So this is the pencil I'm using. It's by eylure, and you get this little spoolie at the end. So what I'm going to do now is kind of just brush upwards at the front, just to give it a nice light look, not too sharp. Just adjust any little errors with the brush. So that's one way you can do your brows straight across with no arch at the top or anything. I haven't done the top of this one yet, I just did the bottom with some concealer, as you guys saw. And this one is kind of a different shape. There's many ways you can shape your brows. You don't have to shape them in one way every day. It's always up to you and your face shape and all of that. But yeah, that's one. You can see they're kind of different because I want to show you one straight across. Then I'm going to kind of do an arch on this side. So we're going to take a little bit of concealer, and then you're going to go in at the front, and then just kind of just take out what you don't want from the pencil, the shape you're going for, focus on that. Then just bring it down sharply. And you see that's got different shape to the other brow. And then you just kind of thin out the tail how thin you want it or how thick you want it, you know. Then you can do a little arch on the hair if you want. It's always up to you. And that's that for that brow. Just gonna use my fingers. I like to use my fingers because it gives me more, I manage it better than using a brush sometimes, especially for my brows. So kind of just take out all the concealer in between there, then just smudge out the top upwards. So these are my everyday brow look. I do one or the other. If you've been following me, you know that I change up my brows all the time. I like to experiment different things, different color brows. I've never really gone this light brown, but I think it works great for a natural everyday look. So that's that, guys. It's very simple. Then after that, you just put your foundation on and stuff. I'm sweating so much. So that's one brow and the other brow. So you can see the different shapes in my brow. Then you can just comb this one as well. I'm sweating. Yeah, so that's what I do, guys. Let me show you in the sunlight again one last time. Yeah, so this is a normal straight across brow, and this is a little bit arched. Quite similar but different. But yeah, you can do whatever way you want to do your brows, guys. It's always up to you. But if you want a natural look, I think FAWN works great for this, or even a darker color for concealing the brows, and it wouldn't give you that halo effect when you put your foundation and blend everything together. And yeah, try out eylure pencils or any brown pencil for that matter, and it will give you a nice natural brow. If you do not want the sharp brows for everyday work and stuff, always just tone it down with different colors and you will get there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in another one. Enjoy the sun. I'm gonna beat this face now. Bye guys, see you soon.